Hey guys, it's Mary Ellen. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing another special box from the Washi tape shop. They just sent this out to me. I don't know what's inside and I can't wait to check it out with you. So if you'd like to see what's in here, stick. Okay, so I did cut it open, but I haven't looked inside, and I really like to do that with you guys because then you get my genuine reaction. So let's open it and see what's in here. Ooh. Okay, so we've got some wrapped things. They're like little presents. Oh, wait. Look at the, whoa. Okay. We've got a bunch, I guess they're all sets here. And sometimes I will go online. I will like kind of look at this first. I did that last time, I think, and go online and see what they were so I could tell you, but it's a toss-up because I also want it to be fun and me doing it like as a surprise. So I don't know. All right, let's start with the one that is half open here. Sorry for the noise with the unwrapping. I know. Ooh, look at that. It's like rose. It's kind of shiny, actually. Shiny roses. So these are all obviously floral. And I'm not going to put all of them on paper just because it would be way, way, way too long of a video. So these are all a little bit shiny. A little bit. But here's what they look like. I think they're really pretty, actually. To add a little bit of flowers to your spread if you don't want to use stickers for flowers, or even with combination of stickers and flowers. I mean, flower stickers and flower washi. You could do that too. So I think they're pretty. All right, let's see what else we have here. Open up present number 2. I feel like it's Christmas. I also don't have enough room to store all these new washi tapes, so I don't know what I'm going to do about that, but we're just going to play it by ear. These are really pretty. Look at this. There's like, they're floral and they're like little silver dots on them. I'm just like looking to make sure you guys can see. I want to put it in the right spot so you can actually see it up there. There's silver accents. Look at these. So cool, right? I kind of like that foil accent. Like I know I don't like foil very much. Ooh, what's that? Oh, it's a bunny. Look. It's a bunny. So cute. I would open these up, but like, well, let me open this one up for you. It's just these ones like have the tape holding them shut, and I just don't want to wreck it in case I want to do a giveaway. Let's just see. Oh, look at bunnies. How cute. How cute. Little bunnies. It's like Easter-y kind of, right? It's like a little Easter washi tape. I think that's really, really cute. But I'm not going to open all of them, like I said, because I think it'd be more difficult to get them back perfectly. See, that one's a little loose. All right. So, wait, did I do that one? Yeah. So it looks like these are springtime ones, right? They look like... Yeah, they look like springtime washi tapes, you know, with the colors. I mean, they're really beautiful, actually. Look how pretty that is. So pretty. Okay, let's see what's next. I love a good washi tape surprise. So look at this. Ooh, look at that one. So pretty. It's like really kind of fancy. It's got copper foil on it and birds and flowers. This is very much copper foil. A lot of foil on this one. And then this one has some flowers. And again, it looks like copper foil. So I guess this is a theme here. This one's really fancy. Look at that. Super fancy. It's kind of old-fashioned. It's kind of vintagey, isn't it? I like that. And then all of these are kind of vintagey. Look, this one has like a little stamp on it, kind of. Very sort of royal and vintage like. Really cute. Okay, next up, let's see what we've got here. You know what? I'm sitting here thinking I don't have room for more washi tapes. This is going to be a giveaway. I'm deciding halfway through the video. This is going to be a giveaway. I should have. And the reason I'm deciding halfway through the video is because I wasn't even sure what they're going to send me. And like, I don't know. Like, I just feel like I want to give these away. Don't get me wrong. They're beautiful. They really are. But a lot of them aren't my style because they're really busy. But I know a lot of people would enjoy these. So I feel like I wouldn't get as much use out of them as you guys would. Although, look at how pretty these are. Wow. I really like the black and white ones. Now that I said I'm doing a giveaway, I'm like, ooh, I want to keep this one. Ooh. But don't worry, it'll still be in the giveaway. All of these will be. So that's really cool. I like that a lot. And this one, like the browns, we've got like gold foil in there. And, ooh, I really like this set a lot. It is so kind of neutral and just really cool. I like that. And this one too, it's got, I want to keep these. This one has gold foil and like these sunflowers. Ooh, that's a really good set. I like that a lot. Okay. See, I don't even know what's in here, and I've already said I'm going to give them away. Now I'm going to kick myself. I know it. I typically like the washi tapes that are a little thinner. However, I do have some that are thick that I really, really enjoy. So it all just depends. But I have so much washi tape now that I feel like I want to give back to you guys because I really do have so many sets. And the washi tape shop has been so generous to send me so much product. And I just, ooh, look at that. Ooh. And I really just want to like, I don't know, share it with you guys. So as my token of appreciation for subscribing to my channel, I just think it's cool. Look at this. It's like a mermaid pattern. Gold foil mermaid. That's so cool. All of these are like a little work of art, don't you think? Like washi tapes are just, for me, I just feel like each one is just so different and a work of art. This one's cool because it's got these little gold speckles and I don't know. I just really like it. I like the color. It's very fall-like. So I guess this isn't really spring, but and this one is like, you know, Japanese theme, like with those paper lanterns and the flowers. I love the dark blue. I love the dark blue and the gold foil together. This is a really thick one. Look how fancy this is, you guys. So pretty. Like I said, a little work of art. Look at that. It looks like a little painting. I would love to open these up and show you like the whole thing because I'm sure each one has like, I mean, unless they're just a pattern, each one, you know, has different pictures on it, but I really can't open up all of them. So here's another one. The colors on this one, the blue, the bright blue is so pretty. The gold. Okay, and we have one more little package to open up here. And then I'll have to make up the rules of my giveaway on the fly here. Well, I guess I could turn off the camera and restart it, but let's see. All right. Ooh. I just think these are so cool. They're so cool. I just know that I probably won't get enough use out of them. Like I might use them maybe one time, and then I won't use them. So I don't want to like keep them because I feel like I want to give them away to someone who use them more. Look at this one. Oh my gosh. I just love these so much. This one's so cool. It's like leaves, they're gold foil leaves, but it almost looks like feathers. I don't know. That one's so neat, isn't it? Like the colors, I think it's wild. And then this one, this is like, whoa, it's kind of jellyfish. Is that jellyfish? Yeah. That's neat. Oh, these are so cool. So that's copper foil on there. These are so cool. All of them are beautiful. Um, so here's everything you get if you win the giveaway. Somebody's going to get a big stash of washi tape and some of the ones that I wanted to keep, but I'm going to give away. This giveaway, I'll put all the rules in the description box, which will be more detailed, but it'll be open until April 7th at 12 o'clock p.m. Eastern time. Okay. And I'm sorry, but it's only going to be open to US people this time. You need to be subscribed to my channel, and you need to be following me on Instagram. And then just comment your Instagram name, like your Instagram handle below. What's going to happen is I'll pick a winner on YouTube, and then I will contact you on Instagram to get your address information if you're the winner. So that's really it. That's really it. But again, all the rules will be in the description. You do have to be 18 and older. That's pretty much for any giveaway. And I will pick a I'll pick a window. Yeah. No, I'll pick a winner by random drawing. That is how I do it for my YouTube giveaways. So that's it. And good luck. I hope you guys win this big, well, I hope you don't all win. I hope someone who really wants it will win this big stash of washi tape because it's so pretty. And don't forget, I have a code for the washi tape shop. You get 10% off, and I will link my affiliate link in the description. You guys, I love the washi tape shop. They are so generous to send me stuff, and they really have good tapes there. Like, I've never been disappointed by anything I've received. So go check them out, and I would appreciate it if you use my affiliate link because it does give me a little bit of extra income. So thank you for that. All right, I guess that's all. And I will see you in my next video. Take care. Bye-bye.